Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw on Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Doc, you are going to go to the top here and you are going to select Insert. Then select the third option which says Drawing, then go to the right and select Plus New. From here, you're going to have different options which you can choose from. So if you want to add in a specific shape, select the shape icon here. And then you can move to Shapes, Arrows, Callouts, and Equation. So if you want to add a shape, go to the top here and select the shape of your choosing. Then simply just drag it across the screen to insert it. And then you can also change the color of the shape. You can make it red, you can make it blue, you can make it green, and so on. Then if you want to remove the shape, simply go to the top here and then select Undo until the image is gone. Then go back to the top here, Shapes. Then you can add in an arrow if you want, simply drag it. Then if you want to change the width of this arrow, go to the top here, then select Border Weight. And then simply just change it until you find the one that you like. Then if you want to take it out, just do the same process until the shape is gone. Or maybe you want to scribble a little bit, then go to this option here where it says Line, select the drop-down option. Then you can use an elbow connector, arrow, line, and so on. But if you want to scribble, go all the way to the bottom, then select Scribble. And then you can just scribble all over the screen. Then you can also do the same thing. You can change the color as well. So maybe something like red. Then once you're happy, you're going to go to the top right here, then select Save and Close. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.